We will discuss mirror formula and expression for magnification with the help of rules for sign convention. And the formula for mirror is same, either the mirror is concave or convex. And what the mirror formula? This is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, where the terms having their usual meaning, that is f stand for focal length of the mirror, may be concave, may be convex, u the object distance, distance of the object from the pole, v image distance, distance of the image formed from the pole. Now, expression for magnification either using concave or convex mirror is also same. M, this is simply the ratio of height of image to the height of object, that is I by O, equation number 1. In another way, the magnification is also the ratio of distance of image from pole to the distance of object from pole with negative sign, that is minus V by U, equation number 2. So, if you equate equation 1 and 2, then you find I by O is equal to minus V by U. So, utility of this formula is, if any three values are known, you can find the value of the fourth one. So, this is mirror formula and this is the relation between height of image, height of object, image distance and object distance. Now, very important concept, what the sign convention, what will be the sign of distances in the case of concave or convex mirror. So, this is for concave mirror, this is a concave mirror, this is the pole, this is the focus, this is the center of curvature. The first simple rule is you have to measure all the distances from pole. It means pole act as origin for distance measurement. Rule number 2, all the distances opposite to the direction of light propagation taken with negative sign, and the distances taken in the direction of light propagation is always positive. It means you can say that the focal length of concave mirror always with negative side because we have the real focus. In case of the convex mirror, this is the pole, this is the focus, this is the center of curvature. Now, this is the direction of light propagation. The same rule, we are measuring all the distances considering pole as origin, distances opposite to the light propagation taken with negative sign, distances in the direction of light propagation taken with positive sign. Now, come to the rule for height of image and height of object. So, the reference line is principal axis. So, all the heights of image as well as object, if it is below the principal axis, taken with negative sign. If the heights are above the principal axis, taken with positive. The same rule for convex mirror. Again, the principal axis is the reference level, the heights above the principal axis, either it is object or image, taken with positive sign, and the heights of the object as well as image below the principal axis taken as negative. So, these are the sign convention and these are the two important relation, that is the mirror formula and magnification expression. So, with the help of sign convention and these formula, you can solve without any problem any numerical related to the concave or convex